Y'all keep letting people play in your face and then asking you for grace. Like, sorry, no, you don't get to disrespect me and then expect me to heal you. You don't get to cross boundaries, throw shade, move funny, and then come back like, oh, I didn't mean it like that. No, you did. You just didn't think I'd call you out. You see, a lot of folks confuse grace with access. They think because you're kind, then you're gullible, or because you're forgiving, then you're forgetful, or because you don't clap back, that you won't cut them off. Grace is not a hall pass, folks. Grace is not a free trial for bad behavior. Grace is meant for people who are actually trying, not the ones who keep testing you to see how far they can go. At some point, giving grace turns into betraying yourself. And that's where people get it twisted, because they think boundaries mean bitterness. But no, boundaries is clarity. I can love you, pray for you, and still keep you far away from my peace. I'm not cold. I'm not unforgiving. I'm just not playing with people who confuse my compassion for weakness, because grace was never meant to be a cover up for somebody else's chaos, right? If you want grace, cool, show growth. Otherwise, go that way, because my peace, she don't negotiate. Okay? She don't.